without knowing any better, we took out this piece of metal so we could slide the car out. We brought the car up, and as soon as it came out of this, all the ball bearings just fell. So we learned very fast that that wasn't the way to do it. So what you want to do is put the piece of metal back in here, slide the car up on it, and then grab the car and the piece of metal at the same time, and then the little balls don't all fall out.
I wanted to clean these anyway. That's good.
3, the pin is numbered, this is numbered, the balls are
Here on, did we have the tape measure? They just did it twice, didn't they?
Mm-hmm.
So right at 21, almost 21 and a half, okay?
Centimeters?
Yeah.
This one doesn't have it. This one does.
There.
I need it to be replaced. I don't know if this one has balls in it. I can't tell. Let me get the towel ready. You can see behind the tape where there's a bunch of little balls. They're just laying there. They're not even inside one of the cars. They're just kind of, they fell, and that's as far as they went. So we got them taped up so they don't fall anywhere. And once we get this last one at the bottom, we can fish them all out. This is number 5. I almost fell off the stool. We have our stools on a yoga mat so we don't slide off, but I almost managed to fall off anyway. I'll lift up and you punch it with the hammer more. Oh, my wrist. Put number 5 on there as well, so we know exactly what goes into what.
This is number 5.
Number 6. 1 more to go.
And
How many are still left in there?
5 or 6.
That's the lowest one, and we got 48 beads in there. They all have all their balls. Can you hold it or pull on the tape?
I don't want it to bounce though. Alright, so I need to get my line and it goes in there.
pushing it up.